Good morning, dear students. Dear students, in last class we are already learnt about the natural resources, land, soil, water, natural vegetable and the wildlife resources. In that we are already learnt about the land. And next we will in today's class we are also going to study about the soil here, student. Another natural resource, that is the soil. So here students, soil is closely related to land here. So it is a grainy substance which thinly cover on the earth surface, and it is a types determined by land forms here, and it is made up of minerals, organisms, organic matters, and the weather rocks which are found on the earth. And this happens here, student. This soil is happen through the weathering process here, students, and the right mixture of organic matter and the minerals in making the fertile soil. So if we talk about its soil profile here, students, so here we see the top of a soil. So it's a, see here it is a soil. We see the top of a soil here, students. So here we found the vegetation and humus. Vegetation and humus. We see the vegetation and humus in the top layer of the soil. So secondly, we will see here the soil which is available in the form of silt, in the form of a silt, clay and sand. In a second layer we see the silt, clay and sand, and in the third we will see the rock material. We will see the weather rock material. With the rock materials, and lastly we will see the, we will found the parent rocks. Parents rocks here. So it is the profile of the soil here, students. Of soil here, students. In the top we will see the vegetations and the humus soil, and in the second layer we will see the silt, clay and the sand. We will found it here, and next we will see the third part, that is we will found in the third stage, that is the weather rocks and the minerals here, students. So next in the last fourth we will see the parent rocks here, students. So it is a profile of a soil here, students. So let us talk about the factors. So if we talk about the factors of the soil formation, now here we will see the 5 factors. 5 factors. Among that we will see two major factors, that is the parent rock factors, and another is the climatic factor. So here, students, in a 5 factors factors, we will see the two major factors. That one is the parent rock factor and another is the climatic factor. So here in a parent rock factor, we found which determines here students the chemicals. Here we will see the chemicals and color and texture and chemical properties. Here chemical properties and minerals contents and permeability, these are all come under the parent rock factor. So in next another major factor, that is the climatic factors, in which we see the temperature. Yes, we see the temperature, rainfall, rate of weathering, and the humus also. We will see in the climatic factors. So what about the another three factors here, students? So another three factors are the topography. Another three are the topography, and second one is a role of organic material. Organic material, yes, students. Organic material, and the third one is a time. So here students, in a topography, it is a third one, fourth one, and another time is the fifth one here, students. Because we are already talk about the two major factors, and the third factor is a topography. So in which we will see the relief here, students. In that, altitude and the slope determined accumulation of the soil, in which we see the topography. And in the organism material, we will see the flora, fauna and microorganism which affect our humus formation. And in the time, here time is determined thickness of the soil fertility, but means how much time it take and in what time it lost its fertility. So these are all the 5 factors of the soil formation. First one is a parent rock factor, second one is a climatic factor, and third one is a topography, fourth one is a organism materials, and the fifth one is a time here, students. So here, students, in today's class we are already we are learned about the soil, what it means, and what is the profiles and the factors of the soil formation. So that's all for today's class, students. Thank you.